think I got one more for you, and then we'll be wrapping up this series, but there's always more to come. And if you made it this far, you're awesome, and hopefully you had fun and got something from it. I'm going to show you one last little thing and actually play some notes that are outside of the pentatonic, and it's just a little roadmap that you can use that Hendrix and Stevie Ray Vaughan like to do. It's kind of like a little psychedelic thing, and it's just all on the G string. We're still in the key of E, and I'm going to show it to you now. So when we're up here, you got your box, right? Here's a little move. We're going to do we're pulling off from the 14 to the 12 on the G, and then we're sliding our index a half step down to the 11th fret, like that. Next, we're going to do the same kind of move, but the middle finger on the 12th fret pulled off to the 11th fret of the G, and then slid down a whole step. Now we're going to do all whole steps on this one. So I hammer on pull off with the ring finger up to the 11th fret, and then that slides down a whole step. So here are the notes we have. But in a pattern. Then another whole step pull off. So this is the 9th fret to the 7th. Then a half step. So that's the next spot where it's the half step, is between the 7th fret and the 6th fret on that G string. Half step pull off right there. 7 to 6, slide down to 4. Whole step, so it's the 6 to the 4, whole step slide, and then open. And don't let just that one pattern dictate what you can do with it. You can do any of those notes and any idea, any combination of ideas you can think of. And that would actually be called E Dorian. If you had to give it some fancy name, that little passage with those half steps is called Dorian. And it's kind of the funky minor scale. But you hear them do it, and you can do it with one finger. You could put a fuzz pedal on it, or a weird univibe, or an octaver pedal, and get really cool sounds with delay, all that stuff. But that little freeway is really good. It's also a cool way to get into the other positions of the pentatonic, a different way than maybe you thought of before.